Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, and it is a fabulous morning. Fabulous morning, fabulous morning, fabulous morning. So, let me give some time for people to trickle in. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Alrighty, chat. My voice is a little rough this morning, but I'm still here. Oh, that's what it is. Let me do this real quick. It's a little early here, guys. I don't know. Good morning, 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 good mornings. More life, as the kids would say. Give me a second, guys. Get some coffee. I am very out of it. I had a very long night. I'll be with you guys in 1 second. Uh, alrighty. I am back. I am back. And let's see if we can analyze the first. Do you have the first 15? We do. We do. So, let's go here. Here's your opening range right here. Tell you what, let's get rid of some of these drawings. Remove drawings. Go here. Hey there, Nick. Good morning. Today is a very interesting morning. I'm not feeling 100% this morning. I'm not really feeling 100%. We're already breaking down our opening range here. And yeah, the smooth operator. Good morning. My throat is not it's not feeling the best right now, guys. It might be somewhat of a quiet stream, but give me a little mic test. Do I sound okay? Is the music too low, music too high? How am I sounding, guys? Wow, we are really dumping here. All right. Sounds good. Background music is low, but that's good for me. Gotcha. Just the way we want it. Okay, guys. Happy CPI. Happy CPI. It's already looking like a tough one today. But with patience and discipline, I'm pretty sure we can carve something out of the market. I want to play higher time frame structure here. Brando, good morning. Levin, LOL. What's up? Glad you guys can make it. Yeah, my voice is not doing the things that I needed to do today. So maybe a little less gab today. But yeah. Very glad you guys are here. All right, so let's go to the hourly. The hourly has been doing nothing but doing a staircase up thing, so I still want to be bullish here. Even though immediately price doesn't support my thesis here. So I did like how we broke up below the orb low. I'm not particularly bearish though. Not particularly bearish. So that's it. I mean, we could just come all the way up back up to CPI high here. Don't know, boys and girls. Don't know. But as usual, we will be sitting here till I found out. I did trade London. Saw a couple moves in London that I could play. So that's why I'm technically up for the day. But mostly looking for a CPI move. I usually like these CPI days. So let's see what the market wants to give us here. Yeah, my voice is really messing with me today. Might be somewhat of a quiet stream here, boys and girls. This bullish engulfing doesn't look too bad to want to try and play it to the upside here. We're really going to have to wait and see though. Wow, we are really jumping back up. I don't think we have any more news besides CPI here, right? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Nope. All 8:30. Okay, so what am I thinking today? Not too sure. I'm neutral. Bulls. I meant to say bears. I mean, bulls. All right, another 50 seconds until this closes. This is a huge range, though. Very huge. All right, so this is you're about to get a bullish engulfing here. This is tough. This is tough. I would like to play these longs, but the question is, what would you do? I wouldn't say that we have any valid SBS setups yet. Yeah, you could play this. You could play this bullish engulfing right here. Little test of the 20, little push up there. Ah, that looked pretty good. I was thinking about taking that one, guys. But I wanted to be thorough and wait. Very dangerous playing buys right here, though, since we've kind of broken below this orb low, which would suggest that we may want to come lower. Really? Let me take a little quick peek at the ES. It did. Wow. Oh, ES. I've been cheating on you for too long. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ES, I've been cheating on you for too long. You've been giving me the good price action. Meanwhile, I've been here with moody ass NQ. Oh boy. I mean, I could take you. Yeah, today's a very tricky day, guys. Very tricky. All right, let's see. I mean, yeah. And go back to the 1 minute. Yeah, no 3 here in Q, unfortunately. 1, 2, 3. We could have officially started looking for buys down in this area. Would have been tough though. But let's wait it out. Let's see. I will be hopping in between ES and NQ just to keep an eye on both. I don't like to do the whole split screen thing though. I could do that, but I just prefer not to. It's kind of distracting, you know. Yeah, we keep testing this 20 right here. I'm pretty sure that previous 5 minute already closed, right? Yeah. This one's tough. This one's tough, guys. This one's tough. This one's tough. And I can't nickel and dime it. We could come up high, but if we make another high here, I'm just going to. I would assume that we just keep on like just making highs and rushing the CPI. Yeah, so this might be an ICT day for other people because this does look like good structure or good ICT nonsense to go back to highs. And hats off to him, but I gotta stick to my strategy. Would have loved if this would have made a 3 though. I would love if this were to come up, give us our 3, come back down to these levels, and then start to push up. So this is something that I would like to see. Yeah, this would be great. But if it doesn't give it to us, and since it's CPI, I'm just assuming that we're just gonna move fast and furious. Fast and furious. You're in and you're off. You're in and you're off. That type of price action, which is good for the other guys. Plenty of volume, plenty of high risk trading, all that good stuff. But just not quite for me. So let me look at ES again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, technically we didn't get any sweeps yet. Oh, 1. Nah. Yeah, I would want sweeps here. Okay, wait a minute, hold up. Guys, I'm gonna count that as 3. Now then. Will she retrace? Will she return? That's the real question. And I'm telling you, I just don't think so. I think she's just gonna blow off from here, which is fine. There'll be other opportunities to get in if we can't catch this one. But yeah, I would like retracements back into these levels if we're truly bullish. And the thing of it is, like, there's so much volume, so much volatility right now. Who's to say that we don't just come all the way back down to these lows and just keep on going? There's no guarantee that won't happen, especially if we decide to just come down here again. So we'll see, guys. We will see. Other than that, everybody having a good morning so far? All right, I told you guys my situation. I am feeling very out of it right now. I'm a little on the tired side. Throat's really messing with me. I got my coffee in me. It's not really helping too much. So yeah, I don't know whether I get rid of this. I love how the 20 is supporting price though, even if it is a little sideways. What scares me is coming all the way down here and bulls decide to just like not come back in. So I guess we'll just wait for confirmation after we come down to these levels down here. Hey, bulls are back and we want to continue upwards. Because once again, there's no guarantee. I'm really not afraid, but I really want to see if price wants to come down here and have price support it. It's not really too much else I want to see besides this. 1, 2, 3. Unless my sweeps are not generous, which is a possibility. But it's kind of clear to me on the 1 minute. We broke above this swing. Here's 1. It comes back into the range. And it just keeps on going. We don't make another high. So this is your 2. This would have to be your 3. And then 4. And yeah, so this might be kind of tough here, guys. Not gonna lie. What's ES doing? ES is trying to give us those sweeps. NQ is being a little pain about it. Actually, I'm gonna leave that up. And this could be a little push off here. It's very possible. Very possible. In the meantime, Merdad, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy CPI Wednesday. Happy CPI morning. Happy CPI. Yeah, guys, so we're kind of dilly-dallying right now. Like I said, I would have loved to have seen like a little bit better structure than this. We're kind of just very consolidating right now. I would love to see like sweeps of these levels before getting involved. I need my 4 and my 5 to get put in about now. If not, we'll look for a trade somewhere else. I was this close to playing a bullish engulfing from this morning for a couple points. Didn't really go up too far, but it came up a little bit. Now I'm on the 1 minute. I'm bullish. Let me see, 15 minute. Yeah, I'm bullish, so I would like to see price continue its upwards trajectory here. So now that you guys see that, let me get rid of this and try and dial in on price a little bit. We want to ski down, but we dilly dallying. Exactly, Brando. Exactly, man. Oh man, still didn't want to do it, huh? I mean, yeah. I think what the real problem is that this right here is so incredibly like wide. Like if the tap back into the range was like right here 3, I probably could have taken something like that right there for the upside, but you know, I would have to see some type of manipulation, a little power of 3 action to come back down and come back up. I don't want to play in this little consolidating range right here. Yeah, it could do whatever it wants to, but for me and my money, a little dip back lower would have been nice. We may sweep high one more time, then sweep to 2, then go on up. Very possible, Brando. Very possible, very possible. Like this kind of looks like your model 1. Let me see if ES did it. 1, 2, 3. ES did it. 4. Yeah. 1 back in range. 2, 3 tap. 4 tap. Man, maybe I should have kept my eyes on ES. That's what I get. That's what I get. That's what I get. So I'm guessing NQ is probably going to start running from right here. The 1 minute is pretty solid here. It's just that my sequence wasn't full. Like I didn't get my sweeps. We just simply respected the sweeps. And I'm just trying to be a stickler of the rules here. Go tap 60/40 ES and give me an entry. Yeah, give us an entry. It's kind of like Price knows. We know what Price wants to do, but it's like, does she want to do it? This is looking like a SBS Model 1, but without giving you the proper sweeps. Which is fine. You know, it's CPI. A lot of stuff going on. A lot of stuff going on. A lot of stuff going on. And there's your new high. So now I'm thinking that we may just run up here, guys. We may just run up from here. Which is perfectly fine. Which is perfectly fine. But nothing for me yet. Nothing for me so far. How about you guys? Anybody take any trades so far? Anybody in anything? Anybody take those longs right there without giving us the proper SBS? Man, sometimes I swear it's so hard to be a disciplined trader. It's so hard to be disciplined. Man, you could have just bought every pullback and you could have bought here and just would have been done for the day, right? But I gotta be true to the strategy, guys. Gotta be true to the strategy. 50-second SBS potential now for entry. I like Model 2 better, but some may find that riskier. I'm also a Model 2 guy, a smooth operator. I'm also a smooth. I'm also a Model 2 guy, and yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just didn't give it to us, boys. Just didn't give it to us. Yeah, she decided to leave without coming back down. And what's crazy is like this would have been a good Model 1. This would have been a good Model 1 if we had proper suite. Like if these were like if this was like a tick lower and this came back right here, that would have been a perfect long. But gotta stick to the rules. I gotta wait for my sweeps. I got a 1, 2, 3. I gotta wait for my 4 and my 5. And if it just leaves me, it just it just leaves me, which is it's unfortunate, but it is what it is. This is trading. Nothing is set in stone. She didn't leave yet. Lock in. I'm trying my best. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my best to lock in. 1 second, guys. All right, let me see. She didn't leave yet. Oh, right, let's try and lock in right here. Hey Dre, why you have that as 3? It didn't sweep 2, so wouldn't 3 be higher now? Why you have that as 3? Why do I have this as 3? Technically it did. So like, technically, it did sweep here. Just by a tick. Just by, well, maybe a couple ticks. But it did come up and make your 3 right here. All right, so 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, I think that's I think that one is gone. So let me go back to the 5. Let me see what we got in the 5 minute here. We're getting a closure above the 5, which is excellent. Let's see if we can find yet another SBS right here. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, I got a lot going on right here. So hold up, guys. That's kind of jarbling my eyes a little bit. Let's see if we can catch the next bus here. Here's your swing point. One, two, back into the range here. Tap back into the range. It's getting trickier about a minute, guys. Getting trickier about a minute. Tricky situations, tricky situations. Look how wide this is right here. Yeah, Brandon, I was just thinking that, just like, erase like literally everything, to which I may just do that. May just do that. Have a clear chart right here. Do. 1, 2. Oh man, like these sweeps are kind of pathetic. 4. 4. All right, give me another one, please. A new low and a new high. I'm not exactly seeing that right now, Brando. He said from new low to new high. This kind of looks like the low and the high of this range right here. One, 2, 3, 4. Everything's getting bought up. So look on 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're about to get a cross here on the 30-second, which means we'll probably see some strength in 1 second. We'll probably see some strength in 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Oh boy. Yep, there's that little strength. The 30-second is starting to put his 30-second is starting to realign itself with everything. Oh boy. 5 minute looks pretty good, but I can't just long. Can't just long. Maybe I'm just being a sucker for just waiting for an absolute perfect SBS. Maybe I'm just being a sucker for that. Looks pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back to these levels right here, I suppose. I would like this to come down just a little bit lower. Maybe get a model 1 here, just a little bit lower. Maybe come back and test the 20 here. Or I can just push off from right here. Or I could just do that, Actually, guys, this looks a little... Wait a minute, hold up. I think I did something wrong here. 1, 2. This is your 3. This is looking kind of ugly here, guys. 1, 2, 3. But so this can't be your 4. It's out of sequence. Tough day. Tough day in the office. 1, 2, 3. Tough day in the office, guys. Tough day in the office. Tough day in the office. I'm trying to catch this thing, but it's not letting me in. Wow. Wow. Yeah, guys. Tough day in the office for me. Tough day in the office. I'm missing nothing wants to retrace, but I can't just hop in. You can't just hop in. Hey. All right, let me see something here, guys. Yeah, like I can't just flip flop like this. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm not too sure, man. I'm not too sure. I'm kind of upset I couldn't find a way to catch this. Yeah, I'm a little upset I couldn't find a way to catch this. Like, damn. Yeah, but this has a potential to just accelerate from here. 1 minute looks very beautiful to the upside. 30 seconds probably looking good to the upside. We're closing above the 5 minute. I appreciate that, smooth operator. I really appreciate that. This is a tough day, and I usually love trading CPI day. I usually love it, but I'm not catching anything I want to see. I'm not catching anything I want to see. I'm not getting the sweeps that I want. Yeah, I'm just not seeing the sweeps that I want to see. I'm just not seeing the sweeps I want to see. I don't know. I don't know. I need this to come down. I really need this to come down. I refuse to just long up here. But let me look at the 1 minute one more time. I kind of like all of this area right here, but I don't know. What was your setup before the winning trade before? I don't know. I took some bullshit during London. What did I do? I took something in here. But let me focus on the market. Let me focus on this market here. I didn't even notice. Sorry, I forgot to switch. Man, tough market. Tough market. Congratulations, ICT people. It looks like you are having your day. Because I did not see, well, I see these fair value gaps you could have longed off of. It worked out for you. I'm happy. I'm happy. But what can I say? I'm a stickler for the rules. That's what all this is about. I just need to. I'm playing rules today. I mean, I'm playing rules all 100 of these days. Crisp, clean, some caffeine. And if we can't get it, we just can't get it. We're getting closure above these orb highs. I don't think that price is just going to retrace all the way back here. I really can't believe we couldn't get one tap lower. It's just been this little staircase up. Hate it when that happens. It would have been nothing you could do either. Even if you would have like longed right here, I'm definitely putting my stops at break even at these levels here. So yeah, slow trickle to the upside unless some weirdo big volatility comes in and taps back into these levels and starts to go right back up. But yeah, it's just looking like a slow staircase up. Which is, say it with me now, which is fine. Which is fine. Sorry guys, that every time I touch my headphones it kind of pauses the music. So now the question is, do we start? I think people use the same times for every weekly report. Da 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 da. The burners are crazy. That's funny. I have to yes, with Art Vandalay. Don't fit from the top. Oh, yeah, I guess that's a good point. I guess that's a good point. Don't like how close that is to sweeping these levels though, but it is a good point. It's not easy being cheesy. It's not easy being cheesy. I don't know why I'm saying that. Oh boy. Is anybody else besides me that's just watching this market just slowly trickle up? I'm not the only one. Surely somebody took a long. Surely somebody longed. But no, we're going to be Stoic Traders. We're going to be this one. I'm going to be traders. Yeah. Yours could be right too. I'm long. Very good, Sniper. Very good, very good, very good. I just couldn't. I really wanted these wicks to be a little bit lower, and I would have entertained those longs, especially since. But I guess the 20 and the 200 just gave it too much support, and it just didn't want to go up higher. Dims the brakes, Bob's your uncle. All that good shit. So we're going to be a little bit patient here. We're going to be a little bit patient. A little test at a 20 there. Rejects immediately. Every pullback is getting bought. Short to hell no. I'm not shorting. Sorry. Cup got. Yeah, I'm not. I don't like to play the whole short to buy. I mean, yeah. What is it like? Sell to buy, buy to sell. I'm not. I don't like doing that. Could you? I mean, you could. I'm not saying it's not financial advice. You can do whatever you want. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I don't like doing that. 957, 21, 950. Oh nah. I mean, it's risky, but oh no. Nah. Nah. I'm looking for something like this. I'm looking for price to kind of be supported at these levels here. Yeah, like every pullback is getting bought. If you were to short right now, you're probably crying. I'm not taking the trade, still learning and experimenting. Yeah, for sure. For sure, Cup got. We're all doing the same. We're all just playing our strategies, managing our risk, seeing what we see in the market. Low key, I'm having a frustrating week because I should be up a little bit more than what I am right now. It's just little stuff has been getting in the way. This is my first week really streaming for real. I'm not really taking the trades that, like kind of like the ballsy trades that I would like to take. I haven't been taking them, and yeah, I'm really just trying to slow down and try to master myself, especially in an environment like this where it's like you have the right direction, but price doesn't necessarily give you the entry that you want. What RR do you trade? It depends. Sometimes it could be a 1 to 2, sometimes it's a 1 to 1, but more or less, if price gives it to me, if price gives me something really easy, I'm gonna just take that bitch off. Like, so yeah, it's not exactly a question that RR is important, and I know that as long as if I'm getting anywhere at the 618 or below the 618, and I'm waiting for the 236, I'm good to go, or anywhere close to the 236, I'm fine. Boy, man, this has been, yeah, the added pressures and stress of streaming is really starting to get to me, guys. Like, I just can't believe I couldn't find a long at these levels right here. I really can't believe it. And now I just have to wait until price just trickles up without me. It's like, wow. Yeah, like no deep retracement, no just slow staircase up. Everybody's winning. Everybody who just so happened to bought at these levels are winning. No sweeps. That's different. I kind of live and die by those sweeps and those manipulations, I guess. But I guess we can have days like this too, where just everything just gets bought up. Hey, pulled back, buy it. Hey, any pullback right here, just buy it. Pull back here, buy it. Buy it, buy it. So that means these guys are winning, these guys are winning, these guys are winning. If you would have bought this is a pullback you could have bought. Went up. This is a pullback you could have bought on. This is a pullback. Bought up and winning. It's like, wow. Okay. I'm not a market wizard. Take what I'm given. Take what I'm given. But she is annoying me right now. Not gonna lie. She is annoying, and I will not lie. Alrighty, boys. Are we gonna sweep anything? Is this another Model 1 that's forming up? One, two, three. Come back down here. I don't like. I feel like I'm chasing price when I do stuff like that. I really do. Cause you could, man. I'm not. Yeah, one, two, three. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I like the original idea right around here somewhere. We're so far up. We're so far up. We got another one here. One, two, three. Can we sweep below here and give us the juice and go higher? Yeah, when it starts forming those tight areas, that's when I get cooked. Yeah, same. I don't like doing that. So if you were to like play this right here, like your sweep, the 618 is right at the 2 sweep. So like where do you nah, I'm good. Every pullback is getting bought. Every pullback is getting bought. And not the sweeps that we want to see. Very interesting, this price action. Really making us work for it today, guys. Really making us work for it. Ooh, that's something I would like to watch later on. Excuse me. Now what I'm trying to wait for, I'm trying to wait for something goofy to happen, like some really big random, hey, 500,000 contract short, and just pushes the market down crazy. And that's what I'm trying to not get caught up in. This is the part where I get cooked, where I start seeing nonsense and seeing what I want to see and blah blah blah, woo woo woo. This is the part where I get cooked. But if you took longs, congratulations, man. These some really, and the direction is clear. It's just that do you wait to see exactly what you want to see, or do you just hop in with some minimal risk? Make sure it doesn't hurt too much if you take a loss, and then get out as soon as it gives it to you. This is the part where stoicism. Y'all can tell me how it's supposed to be said. This is the part where that shit really comes into play, because I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'm not heated, not mad, but it's like I wanted to be in something. Wanted to be in something, but it's like not really getting my model with recent price action here. And we're really starting to slow up here. Really starting to slow up here. But I'm gonna keep my original parameters. I refuse to chase price. I'm gonna let price come to me. And if we run all the way up to these highs and start making dummy highs once again, then cool. Can you hear the non-conviction in my voice when I say cool? Cool. I'm not upset. I'm okay. And that's what we're here to practice. Excuse me, guys. My throat is really messing with me this morning. I don't think I'm coming down with something, but it's been a little tough. Alrighty, price. Let me guess. This is gonna get bought up too. 1, 2, 3. I mean, what can you do, guys? What can you do? Well, we're gonna practice. We're gonna practice some discipline. We're gonna practice some patience here. And I'm like just waiting for the. See if we can get a nice, large, healthy, girthy candle back to the downside. Give me a couple of them. That'd be nice. I wonder how many people are trying to short right now. 1, 2. I mean, I'm nickel and diming price, and I don't want to do that. Not taking the trade is better than having to lose the trade. Exactly, Cup God. Exactly. This is most definitely a position. Just sitting still. Sitting still is a position. Being neutral. Letting price come to you, even if it's running away from you. Even if price is running away from you, every single pullback gets bought up. Dang, ICT, turn the market back on. Where's your manipulations? Where's your where's the market makers not killing nobody? Plug it back in, ICT, come on. Dang. I'm about to call ICT right now, man. Plug the market back in. We need you. Your algorithm, your code, your HTML. Come on, you're not on it. Where's the manipulation? Hey guys, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me all the YouTuber things, please. Really appreciate you as we sit here and try and be disciplined and find our move in the market. That's all I'm interested in. I'm interested in my move. That is it. That's all I'm interested in. My move, my move, my move, my move. Yeah, so what I don't want to do is I don't want to like drag the fib. I don't want to start dragging the fib again. Because now we're starting to get into shit that doesn't make too much sense. Like 1, 2, 3, tap into here, and maybe bounce up from there. I kind of like this move right here. I mean, I could. But now it feels like I'm chasing price. You could see something like this. I did my waiting. 12 years of it. In Azkaban. Any Harry Potter fans out there? Do we have any Harry Potter fans? Potter. Harry Potter was my shit growing up. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, still nothing. I would have to see something like this on the 1 minute. This looks pretty good though, guys. Will she give it to us? Will she come in and give us the goods? Survey says no. Yeah, guys, I don't believe this. We're not. This is the slowest staircase up I've seen in a while. We're just. Is ES giving us the sweeps? Am I prioritizing sweeps too much? Am I just prioritizing one to see absolutely perfect SBS? Is that what's going on here? That's what's happening. I just want to see a perfect model, a perfect move when this would have sufficed. Especially since we were testing the 20. Could be, guys. I mean, could be. Because this is your model 1. 1, 2, 3. But we don't exactly come down lower to take those levels. I'm getting tired of dragging my fib, I'm not gonna lie. Because I don't like doing that. Because it makes me feel like I'm chasing price. I don't like doing that. Took a short today at 59 TBR playing on ES, just got cooked. Sorry to hear that, smooth operator. I guess TBR, what's that, time-based range? Something like that. There's a bearish engulfing right there. We could see price want to start trickling down a little bit lower from here. Or not. Discipline, Andre. Discipline. You can get rid of this. Keep my orb high here. I can get rid of the swing here. I would imagine that this starts to short from here. That's the first bullish and bearish engulfing on the 5 we've gotten in ever. So maybe you were a little bit too early with your short there, smooth. But I wouldn't play it. Want to get out of the habit of just trading just to feel something. Oh, I'm not. I'm just sitting here. Let me just place a dummy trade just to feel something. That's a bad habit that I have. Like, yeah, guys, I have, like, when I say I have all the bad habits, I have every last one, and I'm here streaming to try and, like, get out of it. Trying to reward myself from doing the process correctly. Yeah, just follow TBR, IB entry. Hey, as long as you're following your rules. That's all I can say. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, guys. I'm just having a tough time right now. Yeah, I'm just having a really tough time I'm just having a really tough time getting in here, guys. 1, 2, 3. Like, yeah, I'm just, it is a smooth staircase up. Yeah, like the direction is very clear. I'm just wondering why we're not getting a pullback that I would prefer. Yeah, guys. 1, 2, 3. I'm getting tired of dragging my foot. Because what could happen is, I'm not saying it can't, but what could happen is, before getting here, we see something stupid like this. I mean that's also on the menu, and it's definitely on the menu because it's NQ. So that's this right here. This nonsense. This is always on the menu. Always. Don't ever forget it. This can always happen. And I'm pretty sure all of us have been a part of something like this. Like, all right, we finally got a retracement. Yay, but NQ has other plans. NQ will have other plans and just well, we're gonna run it all now. All those sweeps you wanted, now we're running them. So we're gonna stay patient here, guys. We're gonna stay patient. Build that patience muscle. Nothing wrong with working that out. Nothing wrong with working out that good old patience muscle. Yeah, I'm definitely about to be hands off in a second. Get up, stretch, take a break. In fact, let me put my desk in stand mode. If you don't have a stand desk, by the way, highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Get up, stretch, shake your legs a little bit. Don't let the blood just start to, flow to your legs and coagulate there. Aye. Just need a Trump tweet. Yep. Just need a Trump tweet. True Social. Message retracted. What? Cup God. What don't you want us to see? Yep, another high there, guys. Which is fine. Which is fine. I'm not drawing my fib up anymore, guys. I'm not drawing my fib up anymore. Like I literally can't. I'm not going to do it. But probably a beautiful, not SBS, but any type of trade, honestly, for somebody else. I know somebody nailed these longs. It was pretty obvious. I know somebody did. But we're going to practice our discipline. Going to build that patience muscle a little bit. And that's going to be it. My first trade would have been this little bearish engulfing right here. Tap into this fair value gap and then push on up. That is a strategy that I coined myself. I don't play it too much these days because SBS has been on fire. But this is like my second strategy. It's this. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Just staying on the 5 minute and waiting for a little pullback from that bullish engulfing. If I wasn't trading SBS, I would trade these two things in tandem. It's just that the SBS has just been providing so hard. I haven't been looking for it. But yeah, got a bullish engulfing here on the 5. Could have took it up. Another bullish engulfing here on the 5. Could have took it up. It's looking like you're getting one right here, but I'm not taking that. We're way too high. Yeah, don't underestimate engulfing patterns on the 5. Don't underestimate those, or underestimate. So now we got this bullish engulfing. Kind of suggests that price wants to just leave us. That's what it's suggesting. I wonder could I play some 5-minute structure. It doesn't look like it either. That's okay. That's all right. That is okay. Gotcha. My music. My music, my music, my music. Stop turning off. I think also what it is that my volume is really low here. Yeah, that's what it is. You know what, Ink? Excuse me, guys. I am so sorry. Yeah, well played, NQ. Well played. I ain't got nothing to say. No harm, no foul, right? No harm, no foul. All right, new hourly candle here. Oh my gosh. Hourly engulfing, bullish of course. See if we can get some type of retracements before getting CPI high. I want to leave my levels here. Just have something to keep me focused. Slowly but surely, guys. Slowly but surely. Yeah. A little boring here. A little boring here. A little boring here. Little boring, little boring, little boring. Yeah, at this point, I'm kind of happy to just be hands off right now, because we're doing the right thing technically. We're waiting, we're following, we're watching price. I'll be honest with you, price is technically, to my eye, price is kind of moving slowly, kind of trickling to the upside very slowly. Just couldn't find your entry model. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, sorry for the lack of commentary, guys. Here, it's just I ain't got nothing. I don't really have too much to say. I'm just looking at price. This is probably the part where they say trading is boring, right? Good trading is boring. This is definitely boring. I refuse to move my my fib up. What would it look like though? Oh, come on. Yeah, so I'm kind of hands off right now. Oh, it's already here. Ugh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's either move origin for me or bust. You got a little wiggle there. Let's see if it gets bought up. Patience. It's tougher than it looks. Yeah, Cup got the market's really resilient right now. Market is really resilient. We're just buying. We're just buying. So that means the gamblers are getting paid right now. The gamblers without a strategy. Buy, sell. They're probably not doing all that bad, but not for me. We're here to get rid of that. We're here to get rid of that. Now I will say this: if this gets bought up one more time, if this gets bought up one more time, man, we're gonna practice stoicism and just breathe if it makes another high, right? We're gonna ohm, we're gonna breathe, because holy shit, doesn't matter. Yeah, what does Marcus Aurelius say? It doesn't matter what happens to you externally, as long as you internalize the price. Some bullshit, I don't know. Boy. Probably some more sellers about to get cooked here. Wiki. Okay. Starting to get a little bit of a wiggle here, guys. A little neuron activation right there. Little neuron activation. Okay. Remember that thing I was saying that I don't want to get caught up in NQ being stupid? Well, I think we're seeing it here. So now we're getting some type of sweeps of levels. I don't think it'll start to just buy from right here. I would love to see this right here. But there's no guarantee. This could just get bought up. One, two, three is all the way up there. This is tough because now it's like I feel better about your fib being like down here. But we got a little wiggle here, guys. Got a little wiggle. All right, and okay, we're staying safe. Nothing's going on. Nothing's happening yet. Well, kind of called this, didn't we? Kind of called this. I wish I would have left that that arrow thing up that says, "Hey." I have absolutely as a buy potentially. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Alright. I can't just hop in. But it is at levels where I would like to see buys at though. But holy shnikes, you know. Alright, so now what? Alright, so now that everybody just got killed. Right? Now that everybody just got killed. Do I wait for a 5? Do I wait for a retestments at these levels here? Bounce perfectly off of that original move origin from 10 o'clock. Didn't take it because who would have taken that? Well, that's probably somebody. If you did take that, it's probably actually a pretty decent job. But there's some manipulation right there, some huge manipulation. I need this to come back. Just give me a little bit. Oh, sorry guys. Give me a little bit of juice back down here. We can think about a long. And we can think about a long news candle at 11:10. Let's talk about art. Maybe this if I re-entered that short, yeah, maybe my losses back and then some. I smelled the short but didn't enter. Yeah, it would have been a good idea. Now I'm over here just looking at this go right back up. We probably got a huge bearish engulfing right there. Let's see if this comes back down a little bit. And if not, I mean, hey. Didn't want to just play it like just screaming down to the downside here. It's kind of not my style anymore. Kind of not my style anymore. Would love to see like a 5, like come back down to these levels right here. See what it wants to do. Staying patient. Even though that is kind of exactly what I wanted to see. But that was like the first tap into that level. Luckily, I kept it up for you guys to see. It did kind of just tap into that level and just reject it, which would suggest that it's kind of the right idea. Let's see if we get a little bit more structure here. Let's see if we want to retrace down here, or if we just want to just come all the way back up. So patience, still practicing that patience, But I would like to see longs out of here. If it comes back and gets me. If it comes back and gets me. Come back to the 618. You can do it. Don't hit that green line yet. I'm sorry, guys. I'm very zoomed in. You probably can't see what's going on. Sorry. I wonder what the correct situation was in that scenario. Yeah, I wonder what was correct. So it's starting to come back down here. Probably trying to respect this bearish engulfing. I'll try my best here, guys. I'm going to try my best here. If there's a way that I can get in like somewhere around here and mitigate risk. So I don't think what's going to happen. I don't think we're going to get a sweep of this 4 right here. So I would like to see a 5 somewhere around here. Gotta be really careful here though, guys. Gotta be really careful. Being very careful here, being patient. I kind of want to start building a position. All right, guys. I'm going to start building a position here.
Order filled.
I'm going to start right there and it stops right here just in case. That is $100 just right there. Am I over leveraged? I wanted stops to be all the way down here, but if we can see that same energy going back to the upside, that'd be great. I'm not digging my stops here though, guys. Like, I'm really not. But we shall see. I'm gonna mitigate risk right there. Now the questions come in, am I being fearful or am I being disciplined? Because that is your 618, but my entry is kind of whack. A little bit on the heavier side for CPI day. If we can get one more push up, that'd be fantastic. That would be fantastic if we can get one more push up. Just to, what's the word I'm looking for? Validate the idea here. Cool, cool, cool. Guys, I'm gonna break even right there. And I'm going to take one, wait. Am I choking it, guys? I think I may be choking this. I'm gonna take 2 off. Wait. Give me a closure above there, NQ. I don't want to see any black candles right now. Kind of want to see strength in this area because this is your big dummy fair value gap that I know people are trying to short. The plan, if I was down here, says to take a partial right here. That's what the plan says. But my entry isn't the best. If I was down at the 618 level, would have been a little bit better. So here's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna take 2 right here since we're at a take profit level.
Order filled.
And I'll let the rest of that rock. So thanks for saying that, Brando. That actually helped me out a lot. So the plan says at 236 take a partial. This range right here, this entire range right here, if you would have got in right here, like I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about. But if I would have got in at around 010, I would have. The plan is to take partials right there, but my entry wasn't the best because I was waiting for a better 5. So I mean, it is what it is. I'm thinking that this may just come back and and bust out this entry, but I will call that a W. Not the best W, but I'm gonna hold this at break even and see if we can start marching towards CPI highs. I could have gotten in, but this would have been a very gutsy buy right here at these levels. I wanted to see confirmations that this level wanted to be supported. And right now, this is probably going to hit me out at break even, which is fine. Because this does look like a decent fair value gap to short. Even though we don't play those, I do like to recognize them and see like what the other things that's going on. So this may come back. I like entering at 0.618 or better on the 5. Same. This isn't like the cleanest trade of all time. This is not the cleanest trade for sure. Definitely should have gotten in at these down close candles right here before the bulls showed right back up. But I'm gonna take the W for right now, I suppose. But this looks like it wants to come back and be violent back to the downside. You gotta remember, are we? Well, technically, we're above opening range high. Good potential for this to make new highs here, but I don't know if it wants to come and stop me out first. Yeah. Let's see if we get another entry. High volatility 2. You were not quite ready for the risk on. I wasn't. I was not. I slapped on 3 micros. I'm like, whoa. Because I really wanted to have. Oh, sorry. I really wanted to have my stops like all the way down here at this level. But I'm like, oh man, that's not good. So yeah, we're at break even for this position here. Who knows, guys? This may give us another entry. But I'm gonna hold this micro just in case the ICT boys are wrong. We hit that fair value gap, the bullish one. So now order flow time, right? Go back up. I kind of want to just close it and be done for today, but I like the idea of this runner. I like the idea of this little runner. Yeah, hesitation leads to defeat. I would have loved to have been down here at these levels. Would have been a much better trade. But it's okay. It's okay. So let me zoom out so you guys can actually see the SBS. So I had a 1, 2, had a 3 right here. 4 came down very hot. In my younger days, in my YN days, I probably would have gotten in somewhere around here when the bulls came in, but decided not to. Measure the fib from low to high. Let's see if we pull back. Got a 1 and 2, not possible. 3, true. Very true. But I'm gonna just hold this one, guys. Still looking very possible to hit this position out at break even. I'm not really tripping over it. With a 200 test. I know, right? Yeah, because this right. Oh, sorry. Can I touch the 5 here? Project X. This right here kind of seems like it's the correct move. I'm not gonna lie. This little 5 right here. Because it looks like we just have a 4. It doesn't look like we have a 5. Kind of want to just collapse it and wait for a re-entry. But we're not gonna sweat $20, right? I think you mean this right here, right? So from here to here, this could be another SBS forming. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, yeah, that looks very likely actually. I'm looking at the smaller one in current price action. Yeah, yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, this is very possible. It's very possible. Very possible, very possible, very possible. All right, come on. Cook the ICT traders, please. Don't let them win again. Yeah, this little meteoric fair value gap. Yeah, cook those guys. Come on. Push up. Cook those guys, please. Make new highs, please. All right, now we got like a little doubly top right there. So, not exactly what I wanted to see it, and I didn't want to see it respect that. Make it another high first. Yep. Good calls, Brando. Good calls, good calls, good calls, good calls. We're closing above the 20 though. I mean, my rules, my strategies, what I like to personally see is I like to see that if we're holding above the 20 and we're above the 200, I kind of like to hold. But price could be weird, you know. But this was a lesson in patience though. This was for sure a lesson in patience. We got a good workout on the patience right there. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Yep.
Order filled.
Cool. Yep, stopped out right there on the rest of that one. Let's see if it wants to come back and give us another entry here. I kind of want to overtrade here. But I do like the possibility of going back up to those highs. So, oh man, I don't want to make this too messy for you guys, but I can somewhat see it. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Pick a 3. Or maybe this right here. 1, 2, 3. Made another 4 here. Charts are a little messy here though, guys. What should I get rid of? Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of all of that. Okay, kind of liking this here. Kind of liking this here. 1, 2. Let me get rid of this fit. I can always draw that back. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. All right, guys.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna try that right there. Maybe a little early to this party. 2 micros. I have a tight stop just in case if this is invalidated really quickly. I want to see it start to punch back above here. Tight stops once again, tight stops once again. Giving this a chance. I could give it a little bit of room, but I don't want to. See if we want to start making new highs again. If we could close above the 20, that'd be perfect. If not, it'll just cook us, I guess. This isn't going fast enough here, guys. May just close this one at BE. Why did the SMA on the 1 minute just do that? Huh? Why did it just curve up like that? I'm gonna collapse that, guys. Let's see if it wants to punch down one more time. 4. See if we want to get this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't look bad, but we technically haven't hit the 618 yet. And I don't want to just hop in and out of trades right now. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Come on, just a couple ticks lower, NQ. Give me the model that I'm looking for here. Because I don't want to just enter right here. Okay. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time, guys. One more time. They put 3 on.
Order filled.
All right, let's see what she does right here. Tight stops once again. Music. Boy. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. We can still give this another shot. All right, looks like we stop out incoming. Okay, should have waited for 5. Should have waited for 5 there, guys, so that's my mistake. Let's see if bulls want to come back in from here. And if not, well, that is a bearish engulfing on the 5, and it looks really strong. All right.
Order filled.
All right, last shot. If this is wrong, guys, I have to be out. I have to be out. Should have waited for this. That's what I should have done. See if we want to go back up to these highs up here. I'm gonna give this a little bit of room because I kind of believe in this trade here. Or should I keep stops tight? Oh boy. Oh, I'm not even looking at the chat. Whoops. Brando. I was up 200. Sitting at 165 so far. I think I overtraded, guys. Think I overtraded, guys. Not looking too good. Not showing me the strength I want yet. I'm just curious with that large down candle. Wouldn't you consider that a breaker structure? No. Breaker structure, I mean, it can be, but I wanna keep playing in the direction that price has been telling me to play. And price still kind of says stay bullish for the time being. I don't like this this giant bearish engulfing though. That's kind of bad for me. Right? But price still says to stay bullish, in my opinion. Oh, that rejection is crazy, guys. Going to practice some stoicism and stay calm in my trade here, live in front of an audience. But that rejection is ridiculous. Cause I kind of want us to start closing above the 20 to make me feel better in this trade. Yeah, I want us to close above the 20, but it's not. That rejection, come on. Wow, guys. Yeah. Yeah, that was quite the rejection. That was quite the rejection. That was quite the rejection. Trade the plan, plan the trade. Just trying to get better at myself here, guys. Just trying to get better at myself here. That's all I'm trying to do. Just trying to master myself. And these whipsaws are not all that great for my heart. Would love to see bulls just come in and just start to just take it all the way. But they're really struggling here. And this is definitely a place where we can flip and reverse. There's no guarantees here, guys. There's no guarantees. It doesn't exist in trading. Another fat rejection. Wow, guys. Another fat rejection, guys. Wow, guys. Yeah, I'm definitely over trading. I'm hopping in and out of trades, and it's not good for my P&L. But I just believe in the trade. Like it says to stay bullish. The 30-second is starting to not look too good though. I will say that 30-second doesn't look too good. The 1 minute, it may just cross to the downside. I don't know. Having a tough week, guys. I'm having a tough week. Having a really tough week, man. Now it doesn't look like it wants to come back up at all. Guys, I think this is a zero here, guys. Yeah, I think this is a dud. Just not seeing it right today.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna just close that. Oh boy, what was the right idea? 1 minute close back down. This still looks right. Now it looks like we're trading against the SMAs. The 1 minute just crossed lower. I waited all that time just to lose. Got to be kidding. Now we're getting bearish. Now I'm trading against the 1 minute. 1 minute no longer says to go long. Nothing says to go long anymore. That's nuts. Oh, well, there it is, guys. There it is. So I guess we wanted to just react off of this 5-minute gap. And dude, it's like, what? All right, let's try and collect ourselves here, guys. 1, 2, 3. I swear I thought this was gonna work. 4, 5. The bigger SBS is on this time frame. Maybe you want to see a sweep of 4, but now the SMAs are against me. Longing right here would be extremely hard. Like, yeah, this is just, it's too much right here. It's just way too much. Like, I would love it if bulls would just come on back, but once again, the SMA is against me. The only thing in my favor is the 5-minute. That's the only thing in my favor. This is just so damning, guys. Bow, 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 bow. I am having a tough week. Tough week, tough week, tough week. It's look at this. It literally says that, hey, next pop up, we can likely go down. But this is the area where I wanted to buy. This is the exact area where I wanted to buy. It's the exact structure I wanted to see. If I hesitate, it'll go up, but as soon as I hop in, it'll just go right back down. I like this strength. Sort of, oh my God, look at that. I wasn't patient. I wasn't patient. 4, 5, I just wasn't patient enough. And that's what happens when you're not patient. You're not patient, you just want to hop in. You stayed in this garbage right here for some reason. Right back down we go. Test at a 20. Survey kind of says we want to keep on going down. Yeah, even though we saw the strength that we wanted to, we come right back down because the 20 is just going to push it right back down. Big push back down here. So now you're getting your 5 on the higher time, on the big SBS. And then you got sweeps right here that really need to happen. Kind of like the strength that's right there. Does anything else? Nothing supports me. Oh boy. Nothing supports my thesis. Besides the 5 minute. Still kind of suggests that it wants to go lower. Still kind of suggests it wants to go lower. Really struggling today, guys. Really struggling. Really struggling. Like, look at this. This is like the 20 is close to the 200. It suggests it wants to keep pushing price down. But we got the 4 and the 5 on the big SBS. Got your 1, 2, your 3 right here. Also suggesting that but this right here is just going to keep pushing it down. Guys, I may give this another shot. But look at the SMAs. Maybe we could wait for the 5 minute to close. If it doesn't close too strong. But it's just, yeah, we're testing the 20 right now. Really hard to trade against it. It's really hard to trade against it. Yeah, like it doesn't look too bad. But love if this 5 minute remains bullish though. We have 2 minutes until it closes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk away for a second and I'll be back in 2 minutes. All right, guys, I'm back, and now we're just pushing up really hard. Now we're just pushing up really hard here. 5 minutes about to close. Oh gosh, guys. This price going to do me like this. This price is going to take my money and run. Closure on the 5. Give me a retracement back down to this level, please. Give me a nice, decent retracement, please. All right, I'm gonna try that. Now let's go 3 micros. Wait.
Order filled.
All right, I'm trying that. Hoping that the bullish engulfing kind of just holds here. Or it just cooks me. Guys, I am not having a good day. All right,
Order
hopping out of
filled.
that one. This is damn it!